It depends upon how you work towards it. Minjintum ona na mzeneba. Nti tidama benefsin ken. Wazeneba na anyenye bia so wanko yi amana o se sayo obesi wa NDC min onya agwor. Oya no kwa. Kwame, the problem currently with the NPP, it's about their communication. And the last time I said it here, the communication spacing, it looks like NPP phone, they are not playing the role that they should play. Because if they're able to counter the NDC propaganda, it will have gone well for them. But one communicators in a lot of them. More importantly, when our serial callers are warring, they play very important role in their party's victory. Until the last week, Muka Bibi were there. Somebody like Don Pino, somebody like Fawaz of Amasamai, somebody like so Obama of Amasamai. These are guys when they are on the social media. You would love to read their writings.
What's the Edidija?
That is where I'm saying there. Emma, we came a long way. For me, I will always tell politicians, Mr. Kwame, me can who platform you today. A boon there, obi a Gina pa educated person, no Gina pick up no she rado job bodo na Carl coffee from Brian Opera Ebiane why disabled. Party in paying football quacker send in Penabie. Nine one kind of popio. Obisu or Obeshema, no why here man. Obisu or Shasi Fiachi. And Sana with you kunyum and then when your baby now. Into how to manage your party rank and file is so important. And so I'm there this time. Syria and then write-ups are what about who platform you do lose steam and was it is giving room. And I said it one time here again that NDC looks like winning the propaganda space. They've been allowed to be saying so many things, but well, since you are in modern politics, since after 2012, the political arena in Ghana has changed. Sometimes it's an academic work. Sometimes it's interfacing with the people. And that is what the NPP needs to do. Go down and meet your grassroots. Go down and talk to the market women. Because it's in Samana. People are frustrated because of the promises that were given. There, bear them like the corruption. Yeah, can once me. And it's like them working on your no worry. Ne COVID in Adiso Abeshim, ne the other side from what the propaganda don't on Yano Kwan. If your Western countries, indeed, I was listening to Boris Johnson. Talking about the hardships, how to mitigate the hardship in Britain now. Britain, and you listen to the opposition. One way there, party, law, no way break the law, but they are not looking at the hardship. They are looking at Boris Johnson, and that is the type of politics that we do in this country.
Nenti momodi ya na nti ampasa mo ya incompetent anyansa ni mutrima ampa nti saa de na nyekse chese enye politics keke na ye no kure NDC for mo pese mo kire se ye kase mo ye boka na ya ampasa mo ye boka anyansa ni mutrima ampa because me na me dwen se politics na ye mo ka bi ne yeso ya ka bi e ba na serious debate na ye debate na serious debate propaganda mo mechi ya propaganda mo kwa ya propaganda yanko sensu ya propaganda everything NDC be propaganda adding I think like I'm still trying to phantom why into a one day NDC for fat book. Ebe can no crack kechiri nipa na ye den. Just say party na ebe wu, party na ebe gu. Ebe say. Mentias you. Say NDC for Sister Mary that me na de me hu nkrofo bi o. Muni na mo mba me chewa na he na moko. Ya e de nyame say muni na maba. Because I still don't get it. Opa kwadwofo e wo Ghana NDC for omo na ya kwadwofo. Ono no nya aggregate 88 BEC. Ono na SSC wentwa. Nso se yemfa no call immigration because of your party ni. Ghana pa. Ko school wo so we dey utin yen tuntum ko school yo. Yase ko suya edwuma. Ano so wonko. Ko TVET ya onko. Ko covet onko. Ye the you start ya ba. For we propose akoso a and also there be we say omo oje 11 ti the I want we budget no kra na nya no na wo hwe. Nyansa ben na wo. NDC for nyansa ben na wo. Nyansa ben na wo. Ye the oman ama wo. We hunu so hwe. We pagya wonsa e de akoma IMF. Then you turn back. Who are with the country akoma IMF no? E be gina ho say wo economy was better. What's wo economy is amje mfiri no my self finger fish. Wo ma no my one. Wo economy a wo se na ye no. Na samje mfiri mo party leaders no mo pa. O ma fonfon aye se mo bi no. O ma aye se nkraman nyanka bi. Ekufu adumo no mo de hardship aba na netwa samje mfiri afu. Twa samje mfiri afu no. Unia, face the country is the most dumbest people ever. Please, face the country for crowd and how many freedom fighters? So much Jimmy Ama me after budget to na say face the country no say agenda. Because Lily, unim say me all this one I'm doing say and Crawford be woman they truly want Ghana to fix so. To be honest with you, that's what I thought. But after budget to buy na the what budget no more mebuno and I'm who said these people they are lying. They don't even understand what they are saying. They are saying they want jobs, but it's a lie. It is propaganda. They don't want to fix the country for Mobwa. On page you may be I should have small say Moko ye did deny 50 Ghana, 100 Ghana. That is all they want out of it. Because me who Ghana bebunubia obey ready budget we with a clear conscience. Obeka Chireme say this budget is not a youth budget. And fix the country if we accommodate idea we be to no say Ghana for mo yeah fix the country for yeah the pressure to aban no so no once I feel your budget is about the youth once I feel we have forced them that they are doing something. I thought that was what I was going to hear. Sana their finance bro for finance minister be kind who ni na say you anom na antio bro for ye be chire mu you start ya ye de ba ye e-levy kura ya chire o dia ya affecting the affect ya chire say ni na say na can we wasting the time. Sana on abo kan gina ho yarefo gina na nan so kan budget ni na na say you anom boka o. Sadia or can any no man to do ya say 11 ni 2 and no